there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cartoon camera. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my cyan pen to draw the cartoon camera. At the beginning you have to draw a straight line. Now draw two tiny lines in both sides. Now I'm using a compass with a pencil in it. And draw a big circle. Draw another one inside it. Now I'm using my compass again with a black pen inside it. And here's the third circle. And here's the fourth one. Now I'm using my black marker pen. Okay, now I'm using my black pen. I'm using my cyan pen again. Here's my compass with the cyan pen in it. Now I'm using my orange pen. Here's my cyan pen again. Now I'm using my compass with a blue pen in it. Now I'm using my black pen. Here's my cyan pen again. Now I'm using my compass with the blue pen in it. Now I'm using my cyan highlighter pen. And here's my cyan pen again. Now I'm using my cyan highlighter pen. Now I'm using my cyan colored pencil. Now I will fill the rest with blue color. Uh-oh, I have to change the pen. I'm using my cyan pen. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.